Hi guys, so today I will show you the uh, the price and the comparison of between Home Depot and Lowe's. So here I am at Lowe's, and look at this. This is CraftsMan brand, and this is a 37-inch, and their price is $6.98 for the top and bottom. Okay. 5 drawer, right? And this one 4 drawer or something, or what is it? Okay, so 4 and 5. Okay, so here this is a long drawer, so you don't have a short one, but take a look and feel. It's thin, right? Thin. See the gauge of the aluminum. See, they have this 6 outlet plug-in, 6 outlet plug-in and 2 outlet. $6.98 at Lowe's. There's nothing on the side. There's no outlet on the side. Okay, so this one is 41 inch. 41 inch, 768, and the gauge the same thickness. Okay, it's thin, so there's no outlet on the side, only one 6 bar inside and 2 outlet there, the same thickness. You can feel it. Okay, and they take a look, check out. They did not have the information on how heavy this one can handle. 41 inch, 10 drawer. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about how heavy this one can hold, or when you slide. Oh, right there it say 100 pound soft close bearing, 1005 pound plastic load rating, static load rating. So the total of the load for the whole thing can hold, and 100 pound sliding for each this, right? So that is 41 inch, and this one is how many? 26 inch and 27. The total is 448. Okay, smaller size. So I have the measuring tape that the width of the small one is 27 inch. The dip is like 18 or 19, and this one, the one that say 41 inch, the width is 41, right? 41, the width is 41. Okay, so this one, the width is 37, right? And they $6.98. This one 41, 768. Okay, and this one is 52 inch. 52 inch, 878. So with the 52 inch, the width also 52, right? And the dip is 19 on the bottom. The top is 17, about 17. The 41 inch, the dip is like 18, and the top dip is 16, right? Okay, so I only sold the big one though, because it's cheaper to buy big, right? So if you have a smaller spot, you can get the smaller one, but I mean, Look at the price though. Look at the price. This one is 26 inch. 500 bucks already, right? You get that. You get that. And the bottom one. And the bottom one. It's feel weak. It's feel weak. This is CraftsMan, okay? Keep in mind, this is CraftsMan. Okay, now let me show you. Let me go over to Home Depot and then show you. Pause the video. Thank you very much. Okay, so here is a Husky. This one a lower side for like a bench work or something, right? Ooh, I love this. Ooh, I like this. Heavy duty stuff. See? Heavy duty stuff. It's thicker gate. Thicker gate. Okay, so the one that I want to show you guys is the one I want to compare is this one. See, this is 36. My Husky. See? Much better. Much better. Solid. Solid feeling. Still 6 outlet and 2 there. And see this? More solid, heavy duty. Look at this, man. Okay, so this one is about the same, but look at the price. What was the price earlier, you guys? I forgot. I drove on the ways over here like 3 miles and I forgot the price. So you got 3 draw here, 36 inches, combo red color. Feel better though. But it's look like it's more well built, right? And look at this one. See, earlier this is 41 inch, right? 41 inch 16 drawer. Earlier is like what, $700 or $800, right? 700 something, right? Is it? I forgot, guys. So you can view roll back the video and see it. See, $598, $598, 3 years warranties. Did they warranty you earlier? See, this one is capacity 1,200 pounds, and the draw slide is the same. Okay, so 100 pounds, right? But see this? More heavy duty build. Look, oh, you got it here too. You got it here too. Oh, the outlet plug-in right here, right? 6 outlet and 2 USB. This one feels the same, is it? The knocking is about the same. So let me move to the tip. Whoopsie. Back to the front is 41, right? No. Back to the front is 24 and a half. 24 and a half. Okay. The top is the same as well. 24 and a half. Top and bottom the same deep. And the width is 41. Obviously. The width is 41. Okay. The height they have it in here. Okay, height is 64.7, right? So this one as well, 36 by 18 by 61.4, right? 498, cheaper, right? Cheaper than Lowe. Okay, this is Husky as well. And you want to see me close it? See, about the same with the other one. I can close it. Whoop. Uh-oh, I broke it. So, just like that. I broke it. I buy it. No, I don't want to buy a small one. Whoops. The tape, the miso tape have a magnet. Okay, that is $498. See, this one over there was like 700 something, almost $800, right? Is it? This one is 600, 598. Over there is over there like 7 something, right? And look at this one. This one is bigger, more heavy duty. This one over there like 800 something, right? 800 something. Over here is what? 5-year warranty and 798, right? 2,500 pound holding, 20 gauge steel. Over here also steel. See the feeling? It's solid. It feels solid, right? Over here, see? Feels solid, right? And look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. 2,500 pound weight capacity, 20 gig steel. The sticker drawer, right? It feels stronger, better, more abuse. See? Solid, more solid, right? And this one also have another one outside too. 2 USB and 6 more outlet outside, right? See, the other one doesn't. This one also have inside and outside. So the deep, the measurement, the height is, the width is 44, the deep is 24.5, and the height is 65, right? See, much better and more heavy duty. And the key is a round key as well. This will be the right choice, guys. The price is right and much stronger than the CraftsMan from Home Depot. I mean from Lowe's. Over here, this is Home Depot stuff. Home Depot, what do you call this? Drawer combo toolbox. At Costco is called rolling toolbox. Costco, they also have this. They have a 42, they call 42 width, but the problem that they don't have is this one, the outlet. They don't have this. Okay, and they feel kind of stronger gauge than this a little bit, but they don't have the outlet. And the drawer, this one have 16 drawer. Costco have only 15 drawer. And the handle, they're about the same, but Husky, Costco is $5.99. They don't have a aluminum shiny feeling. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for viewing my video, and please like, subscribe. Thank you. Check out the link below for the other link stuff.